Juvenile Justice Secretariat Paul Wagun has identified drug dealing and pornography as two major serious crimes committed by children in Papua New Guinea. Most of these children are between the ages of 15, 16 and 17. The law enforcing bodies in Papua New Guinea are finding it difficult to deal with these matters. Jacqueline Yala reports.
Papua New Guinea, as a young nation, is faced with many challenges every time. Many times it has been in the sectors of economy, infrastructural development, health or education. However, this time is the impact of technology on many young people. Technological impact has caused major conflict with the country's law. This has posed a serious problem for the government, societies and communities. In an exclusive interview with NBC National News, the Secretariat of the Juvenile Justice, Paul Wagun, said pornography is one of the major factors that causes young children to commit crime.
At the moment, it is illegal. Pornography is illegal, and any kind of obscene material is illegal, and so police can arrest and charge. So apart from being exposed to what arouses the mind and the emotions of the juvenile, the next category developing on from that is the actual commission of the crime of rape, sexual penetration of another minor or little children being abused. This is the challenge that we face now, and unless the law is strongly enforced in those areas, we will be able to minimize.
The other prevailing crime committed by children below the ages of 17 is drug dealing.
Dealing with drugs, which is a prevailing crime right now among juveniles, because they deal in rolled marijuana and they sell on the streets. And then when the police catches them, it's a serious crime in dealing in drugs.
A big challenge for juvenile justice is for them to work with police who deal with juvenile cases to know how to handle juvenile cases.
Even though the crime is serious, the charges may be the same, but the protocols of handling them is a bit more different, which is why we have a big challenge to work with the police to be able to help juvenile police to know how to handle kids below the age of 17.
Mr. Wagun said PNG doesn't have laws to empower parents, giving them responsibility to look after and discipline their children at an early stage. Jacqueline Yala, NBC National News, Port Moresby.